What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have Geo Group. It's around 5.45% up today. Actually, this was yesterday. The market is going to be opening around less than a minute, I believe. Yeah, less than 1 minute. So we might catch it and see how it's going to open in this video. So yesterday's predictions were for these to just deliver to these desired highs. That was definitely the case. Like you can see right here. This was my prediction. Just upside moves. So we delivered to the high. Now what is next? We never actually closed above it. So yeah, this is very open today, just about that. So yeah, we can say that it was a W, right? W prediction. Now, what are we looking for tomorrow or some shit like that? So on the 1 hour, we're coming from this low. Pretty much haven't left nothing except this right here. So we come here, still gonna continue upside moves. So let me know what are your thoughts about Geo. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day. This is not financial advice, and goodbye.